That's it. All right, ready? Here we go. So this is a store. So they were selling goods up here on this, where all the kids are setting up there.
He was trying to convince me to swim in it.
Oh, she was like, "Ooh."
I side-eyed him.
Dang, that is scary.
Yeah, he's really skinny. What were you saying?
I don't know.
You still got those mad faces. This is a gas station. So the boats hold the gas. So we're about to pull up to a gas station. This is the actual gas station. He's telling her that we need fuel. So she goes up, and they're in jugs, and they give you the jug. Yeah, so they gave us gas here. Sorry, the view's not that great right there. What did you think about it, though?
It was mad crazy. And I didn't know the water would be like...
It was so bad. Man, it stank so bad. Like, it was just bad. Yeah. The pollution there, because they live there. But, I mean, the oil and the pollution, all the trash, all the sewer, like, everything goes in the water.
Poverty?
Yeah, poverty. We saw a little boy making a boat. Like, they were, like, 5, 6 years old, and they were carving boats by hand. Like, it was crazy. Anyways, that's our daughter's trip in the boat ride.
Yep.
That was crazy.
So you all should like and subscribe to our YouTube page. Like, share, We love you all.